'Twas down by the glen side I met an old woman, a plucking young nettle. She ne'er saw me coming. I listened a while to the song she was singing. Glory-o, glory-o, to the Barfield man. Oh, 'tis 50 long years since I last saw the moon beaming in strong manly forms, whose eyes they were gleaming. I see them again, though this time I'm dreaming. Glory-o, glory-o, to the Barfield man. Oh, some died by the glen side, some died by the stranger, and others have said that the